Hey y'all, it's Nova J Beauty. Today we're going to be making an herbal rice water for hair strength and growth. Now first you'll need a container to store it in, some hibiscus powder, fenugreek powder, moringa powder, rosemary essential oil, sweet orange essential oil, basil essential oil, and last but not least, your rinsed rice. Now first we're going to scoop the rice into your container. I like to fill mine up about 1/3 of the way, but it's really up to you. Rice water, especially fermented, is rich in vitamins A, B, C, and E, and is proven to help with treatment of dandruff. It can strengthen your hair strands and stimulate hair growth. It can also darken the hair and make it more shiny and full. Adding ayurvedic herbs to this boosts it into a superpowered elixir. Now that you have your desired amount of rice, we can start adding our herbs. First, about half a tablespoon of hibiscus powder. Don't forget to spill some, that's a crucial step. Now we're going to add about a half a tablespoon of fenugreek powder. And a little less than half a tablespoon of moringa powder. I just don't want the rice water to be too dark with the green color. The end result to be nice and pink and pretty. Now let's give that all a stir. Now we can start adding our essential oils. A few drops of basil, a few drops of rosemary, and a lot of drops of sweet orange because it's one of my favorite scents. And I find that citrus scented essential oils really help combat the funky smell of fermented rice water. All right, now we can fill our jar up with some water. Now let's give it all one last stir, and then we're going to set it aside somewhere cool and dark to ferment for at least 24 hours for the best effects. Sometimes I let mine ferment for up to a week. Now once your rice water has fermented, it's perfect as is, but I like to be extra, so I like to turn mine into a deep treatment. Make sure you guys subscribe to catch the video on that recipe. Alright, rice water's all stirred up. Now we're going to struggle to put a lid on a jar. There we have it. Beautiful herbal rice water packed with nutrients designed for maximum hair strength and growth. Wow. Recipes like this one have grown my hair 5 inches in 5 months. Try them out, guys. Tell me how they work for you. I bet your hair gonna be growing.